Alright, hey guys, so we're playing a little prank on my dad today, and kinda caught a pheasant, and we're gonna leave it in his car because one of my wrestling coaches, Kyle, my dad sack tapped him, so Noah here knows a guy who has pheasants, so we're gonna play a little prank on my dad, and we're gonna find out if it plays out. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So what's gonna happen, guys, is that we're gonna tell my dad that something's wrong with his truck because we're at a wrestling meet right now in Stratton, and we're gonna tell him that there's something wrong with it, and he's gonna come out hopefully, and you'll see what happens. Alright, guys, we're gonna see what Kyle does to close the.
Alright, you throw it in, and I'll shut the door. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Hopefully you guys can see this is gonna be great. Oh man. Okay.
It wasn't like, oh shit, you just broke Troy's truck.
It's nothing you can't undo.
It was more like, Troy should probably listen to this and make sure we didn't do it. Oh shit.
I want to know how much money I can spend this weekend before I get it over and tell my wife. I was playing with Troy's truck. It went fuck. You know what it sounded like?
It was like, whoa. like,
Stuck a pheasant in there, did you? Just right to the curb.
yeah. It sounded like we hit a bump and it was like, boom.
Makes sense. You go, no.
Yeah, like kind of like, oh, a little bit like that.
Figure you're high.
Oh, no.
It's not deep.
Glasses on if you can suck you know.
I'll stand back then.
No, it's not that funny.
Oh, I was like, I gave him the keys right.
Whoa! If he'd have tore up my fucking truck!
It was making a
Aha! Aha! Get the fuck out!
It was my idea, Dad.
Ma'am, is this your dog? Will you come look, please? Come around here. Will you just look and see if this is your dog? You guys are assholes. It's not your dog? No.
Is it pet?
No. It is now. It's going home with me if it's going to sit in here.
There's a number on your seat.
You clean it up, you little fucker.
Hey, Dad. Dad, it was my idea.
What the fuck?
It moved on his seat.
You took a shit on my seat. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, motherfucker.
There it is.
Oh. You gonna...
Cougar, it's something to clean the shit up off your dad's
Oh,
seat.
God.
No. This is like the.
Oh, shit!
Ah, what did he eat?
Oh God. That was great.
That was fantastic. You record that, Cougar?
Yeah.
Let me see.
He recorded the setup, he recorded everything.
Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
I didn't even notice.
since we left. I had it right here. I was just holding it like this.
We didn't mess up your truck.
Yeah, your truck's running great.
You guys
We
are
had this-
awesome.
We had this plan before we left. That's why I was like, "Can we take your truck?"
Yeah.
That's why I want to watch
It
it.
was my idea.
This is your idea. I was gonna give you
Cock
that.
crane for cock crane.
Yeah, that's what you get for punching Kyle in the nuts. Oh boy.
A dump on my seat?
And scale of 1 to 10, was that the funniest
Well,
thing?
I believed it the whole way. Yeah, it's the funniest damn thing I've ever been.
You know, when you think back about it was more like a chirp or like him going up.
Thanks, you guys for watching.
Still recording?
This thing's
Yeah.
fucking terrifying.
Yeah,
I didn't know what to do, and I'm like, grab it, and he's like, no.
yeah, didn't know what to do. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.